Frozen water can take on up to 3 forms at the same time when it melts: liquid, ice and gas. This principle, which states that many substances can occur in up to 3 phases simultaneously, was explained 150 years ago by the Gibbs Phase Rule. Today, researchers from Eindhoven University of Technology and University Paris-Saclay are defying this classical theory, with proof of a 5-phase equilibrium, something that many scholars considered impossible. This new knowledge yields useful insights for industries that work with complex mixtures, such as in the production of mayonnaise, paint or LCDs. The researchers have published their results in the journal Physical Review Letters. The founder of contemporary thermodynamics and physical chemistry is the American physicist Josiah Willard Gibbs. In the 1870s he derived the phase rule, which describes the maximum number of different phases a substance or mixture of substances can assume simultaneously. For pure substances, the Gibbs phase rule predicts a maximum of 3 phases. Professor Remco Tuinier, of the Institute for Complex Molecular Systems, at the time, Einstein called Gibbs thermodynamics the only theory he really trusted. If we take water as an example, there is one point, with a specific temperature and pressure, where water occurs as gas, liquid and ice at the same time. The so-called triple point, Assistant Professor Mark Viss, from the same research group as Tuinier, adds, this classic Gibbs phase rule is as solid as a rock and has never been defied. Shape matters according to this phase rule. The mixture studied by the researchers would also exhibit a maxim. But Tuinier and his colleagues now show that in this mixture there is a whole series of circumstances in which 4 phases exist at the same time. There is even one point at which there are 5 coexisting phases. Too many, according to Gibbs. At that specific one point, also called a 5-phase equilibrium, a gas phase, 2 liquid crystal phases, and 2 solid phases with ordinary crystals exist simultaneously. And that has never been seen before. This is the first time that the famous Gibbs rule has been broken, Viss says enthusiastically. The crux lies in the shape of the particles in the mixture. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.